The SUPERDANNY solar motion sensor lights are designed to provide extended illumination, charging fully in 4 to 5 hours, and lighting up your outdoor space for 10 to 15 hours. Equipped with 113 high-intensity LED beads, these lights offer a wide coverage area of up to 676 square feet, with a bright 7,000 Kelvin cool white light. The lights feature 3 versatile modes with a motion sensor that detects movement within 23 feet, ensuring security and energy efficiency throughout the night. Installation is made simple with a 16-foot 4-inch cable, allowing for easy placement on rooftops, walls, or gutter eaves without the need for complex wiring. Constructed with an IP65 waterproof rated casing, these outdoor lights are made of high-quality ABS material, providing excellent durability and weather resistance. The SUPERDANNY lights are rigorously tested to maintain brightness and sturdiness, making them an ideal choice for enhancing the security and ambiance of your outdoor areas.